Okay, here's another quick demo. Well, I had this idea to make a quick LinkedIn post.
Guys, have you heard the news? Replikant. It's launching on the Epic Games Store this Friday.
So I wanted to kind of make a video that kind of launches it, and what I kind of want to show is that you can really kind of modify these characters. So what I'm doing is basically making several renders with different outfits for this character. So I have him as a cowboy right here. I'm being a bit lazy again and just literally go and pick outfits, so which one do I like here? Let's say I like this one too, and I will take that attachment, which is this, not the hair. Maybe I'll take the hair as well here, why not? It looks kind of cool. Oh no, that wasn't. Yeah, why not? Let's take it. Maybe I'll put some paint on him. So what I'm doing is basically kind of running through this sequence a couple of times. After I've done the renders, I will basically cut it in editing program and basically make it seem like you toggle between all these outfits. So yeah, it's literally really simple. I basically made a script, I typed it in myself, rendered it out, used the automated cameras, haven't really done anything to it, used one environment, no light changes, no nothing, and when I'm rendering these, like I said, I've got a couple of different outfits, and once they're done, I will basically kind of edit them. I'm using Premiere for this, so when I'm in Premiere, I basically will make a cut every couple of frames and toggle between different outfits. So yeah, there we go. It's another tutorial, and hopefully that will help somebody get some ideas. All right, thanks.